Here we are at Emerald Lake. I don't know if the camera can pick up the color of the water, but it is all emerald. Small lake in northern Ontario. You can see basically the edges of the lake all around you. We're out here just kayaking. It's very nice. Super clear water. Good bass in here. Constant bass. All big. You got to get into the shallows, Cole. Got another bass on here.
Yeah.
All right. Bass are crazy in this lake. There he is. All right, we're going to get him on. Got another one on the hook. Bring him to the surface. Oh yeah.
I went to Jamaica. We went on kayaking boats.
Lunch in the middle of the lake.
Woohoo! Water. Reds.
Kayak Island.
Oh shoot.
Having a little sun nap. Is that a dead body?
Yeah, it is. I believe so.
Let's go to the morgue. Someone call the coroner. Oh, he's alive! Weekend at Bernie's.
Some of the itching stopped. My butt itches! Stop! Ow! Stop! Stop!